one, the first hand over here, and there's the second one, lady back there, please. Is there a mic? Okay, if there's no mic, sir, maybe you can just enunciate. Or, oh, sorry. I think the mic is just coming right here. This gentleman, it's behind you. There we go. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rampal, gentlemen. My first observation, launching a product like that, it's just an observation that you could have a better smoke level, not the one which is chemical. That would be akin to, like, not having the right output for the, whatever I can say, presentation of the product. It could be an ice coke, which of course will tell that you do not want any stings to happen, especially the chemical stink. That's an observation. When the product was launched, there was smoke, and that's a chemical smoke. And that is bad for health, as well as it stinks. Secondly, of course, you have been pointing...
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay.
No, we take all your points. I mean, I've known you for many, many years, and you're an honest man. And thank you for your suggestions. We'll definitely keep it in mind next time. And I think what you've done is, whoever's done the art and the show, I think his paycheck is just gone. So...
And can we, sorry, we don't have a lot of time, sir. I'm really sorry to cut you off. We have to go back there to that lady who...
Hi. My question to Rakshit. With the numerous number of brands and deodorants in the market, why do you think the body odor needs to be addressed in this time?
I can't see you because...
I'm right here.
It's on the left. She's on the left over there at the back.
Well, there are various brands in the market, all from, a lot of them from very good companies. But the challenge is that the market of deodorants has evolved into a form of communication and product development, which talks about a market which looks more like a perfume market, where the encouragement is to spray the product on your body, on your clothes, to smell nice. And I'm not saying that smelling nice is a problem. The product that we have actually focuses on using the product on your skin to prevent body odor from coming out. So while it will also smell nice, but the primary job is to prevent body odor from breaking out, which nobody has addressed, which is why nobody has actually used the word odor in communication and product development. And like Arjun said, we are the first one to actually talk about a problem, which for a lot of people is a blind spot.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, next question. I see she has one, and then to you over here. So first on my left will be, she has the mic.
Hi Arjun, good afternoon. This is Shanti. Wanted to know, a deo is a part of a man's kit when it comes to grooming. What are the other things you would suggest should be a part of his kit when it comes to grooming?
Well, I mean, you just need to be hygienic, and you have to kind of understand the climatic conditions that you also live in. You have to also understand the kind of activity or the work that you're putting in. So, for example, definitely have a shower if you've gone to the gym. Try to have one before you go to the gym, okay, because you could have had a long day, and then you end up in the gym, and you've not kind of, bathed or whatever, and suddenly you think that you're in a private gym because everybody's run away from you. Even the spotter doesn't want to spot with you, Or, use a good face wash, have a good shower. And in the summers, like, I take a shower 3 times a day, for example. I just do it, because it just keeps me fresh and it keeps me alive. So, and just look after yourself. Be aware. Be aware of things that you see deteriorating in your body, and just take care of them and eat healthy, sleep healthy, drink lots of water. It's all part of grooming, because once you're healthy from inside, automatically, I think it kind of reflects on your face. So if you have a good, healthy lifestyle and backed with just, keeping your exterior skin, which is the largest organ in your body, nice and clean, I think you'd be fine.
Thank you for your question. A lady in the 4th row over here. Oh, do you already have the mic? Sorry, ma'am. We'll take her question and then come back to you.
Hi, Arjun. Most of the ads these days, hi, Sohail. most of the ad these days, like they show like, you know, you put a deo, it's like to attract the girls. So do you really believe in that particular thing? And
You know,
why
I've
do you
seen a lot
apply
of deodorant ads, and it's quite amusing for me because they've just gone to cater for the Indian market. Ki, it acts as a dual system. Body odor bhi hai, perfume bhi hai. You know what I mean? Gas nahi hai, bas laga do, do spray. It'll work for, and it'll go on. Mileage bhi hai. You know, which is what kind of an Indian consumer kind of looks for. In things. Okay, how long will it last me? What's the quantity of it? Okay, and so only in 2 sprays this can happen. And this I think is false, and it is false. I'll tell you very honestly. By spraying a deodorant on your shirt is not going to take care of why a deodorant is made. A deodorant is made to cut out odor, to kill any kind of bacteria in parts of your body which are not exposed and covered all the time and have the maximum amount of sweat glands. It's as simple as that. So in order to fight that, you have to put a deodorant where you need to put it, which is under your armpit. It's as simple as that. Okay? By spraying it around your shirt or whatever, you are doing the wrong thing. For that, you have to go and buy a perfume. It's not a deodorant's job to do that. A deodorant's job is to make sure that it's like a hygienic thing. It is something that is going to kill that bacteria, which is going to help you not get body odor.
Okay, thank you for your question. Can I? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
My question is for Arjun. Like in a real-time situation, if your female co-star had a really bad body odor, how will you react in that situation?
You just thank God for big lungs and hold your breath.
All right, next question,
Hi,
please.
Arjun. मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है.
यार लड़के को बोलने के लिए आसान होती है, लड़की को कैसे बोलेंगे यार? I mean, a little bit of chivalry. It is difficult. You know, I mean, it is, I'm telling you, it is a very, very difficult and a very dicey and confusing situation to be in. Because most probably you're romantically involved with that girl through the film, and this is your second day of shoot. And you cannot suddenly say, यार क्या हो रहा है? Okay, बहुत बदबू आ रही है तुमसे. Okay, कुछ करो. Why don't you use a deodorant? I mean, I don't think from a love story that film will become a hate story. So I think, you know, you try to tell the director, and the director tries to hint to someone. But it is not something also which just goes away like that. If you've got body odor, it takes time. It takes time for it to go away. It doesn't go away overnight, you know, because already there's been a certain amount of damage that has been done. So you have to then kind of follow a regime and be specific towards it, and then it will go away with time. But because you already injured yourself, so you have to now heal. And but good parts about using and being hygienic right from day one is not to get injured, you know, and to make sure that you don't get injured.
हाय अर्जुन, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि पहली बात तो जो गुड स्मेल है वो लाइफ में कितना ज़रूरी है, और नेक्स्ट आपके कभी भी मूड को कोई अच्छी स्मेल जो आपके मूड को ही बदल दिया हो और यू